Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can change the default web browser in Telegram. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments after watching this video. And let us get started with you. So open the Telegram app. Go to Settings. Next, go to the Data and Storage section. Then here, scroll down and find the option Open Links in. And as you can see, there are several web browsers to choose from here, in which you can customize that the links from Telegram always open in the web browser you are comfortable with. For example, if you're not comfortable using Safari, and you can switch to Chrome by clicking on it. So you'll set all your Telegram links to open in Chrome. This is the way, friends, you can easily change the default web browser in Telegram app. I hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.